another video in our How to Use Our Cleaning Products series. Today we're going to be talking about the differences and the pros and cons of using the leather cleaner spray and the wipes. So we're working on the seat from the Ferrari F12 that's in the shop at the moment. Again, it's not the dirtiest seat in the world, but it's a great example of where you might use the leather wipes. For me, this is a great product to just keep handy. I keep a tub in my car for keeping things like my steering wheel clean. Pop it open. We'll just grab one of those. So we can just remove the light dust and marks that are on this seat. So you can see there, I've just cleaned this side of the seat with the leather wipes. It's a cloth designed for cleaning leather and it's impregnated with the leather cleaner that's in the spray form. Now this is the driver's seat, so the other bolster is slightly dirtier just where you've been getting in and out of the car. For the purposes of this video and to just show you the differences, I'm going to use the cleaner spray on a microfiber cloth. And we'll just give this a gentle clean. On this side, we use the leather cleaner and a microfiber cloth. It offers a slightly more aggressive cleaning technique and it was able to remove the shininess where someone had been getting in and out of this driver's seat. And then on this side, we use the wipes, which have just removed the light dirt that was on this side and just left the seat looking factory fresh, ready to go back out and enjoy the car. So if you're looking to clean the leather in the interior of your car and you don't know which one of these products to choose, I'm going to help you try and decide. The leather cleaner offers a bit more flexibility, but is a slightly slower process. You need a cloth, sometimes a brush, and it just takes a little bit more time, but it will give you a deeper, more thorough clean. The leather wipes, on the other hand, are just a really quick, convenient product if you just need a quick clean. So hopefully that's helped you understand the differences between the two products. If you've got any questions on it, pop a comment below and we'll try and answer the best we can. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more content, subscribe for more videos in the future.